Congratulations on purchasing your Drone XC. Let's talk about using live view with a secondary camera. If you have a rear or interior camera installed with your Drone XC, you can live view from your secondary camera as well. Navigate to the Dash Cam widget on the homepage. Set LTE as your connection type. Select Cam 2 from the camera view options. Tap the thumbnail to start your live view session. If your DroneMobile app does not show an option for your secondary camera, please try the following. Confirm that the connection from the secondary camera to the Drone XC 2.5mm input is secured. Try rebooting your Drone XC system. You can do this from the app or by power cycling your Drone XC. Power cycle your Drone XC by pressing the button inside the pinhole on the side of the camera or by disconnecting and reconnecting the power cable. You can also force close your DroneMobile app or log out and log back in. Thanks for watching. For more info, you can check out the other videos on our channel.